Hello everybody, thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Debbie and here at Triangle Nursery, today we're going to create a showstopper arrangement. So it's like a large vase really for a corporate environment. So it's great to give that really fantastic first impression when you've got customers, guests, or even friends or family arriving. Okay, so we're going to use a vase. I've got a really nice, elegant, almost Victorian style vase here, but you could use a large vase of any choice. I've got Beargrass. I've got some amazing Amaryllis here. Now, very appropriately, this one's called Showmaster, so perfect for that wow entrance hall. And then I've got some Pheonix Robellini palm. Okay, so enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed our little demonstration there. Really, really simple to do and obviously eco-friendly, no foam used at all. So as always, I have some top tips for you. So other flowers that you could possibly use to still create this kind of styled design: lilies maybe, delphiniums, hydrangeas, anything really that's going to give you a little bit of that wow factor. And then obviously, to actually prolong the life, if you remove the faded blooms once they're fully developed, then that will encourage the other buds to come open. So that's my top tip number 2. Top tip number 3, Amaryllis and also calla lilies are prone to the stems curling when they've been in water and conditioned for a while. So to prevent that, if you cut them straight and then wrap the very base of the stem with some clear pot tape, it will actually stop them from curling. All right, and then top tip number 4, Amaryllis particularly are very fragile. They have a very hollow stem. So if you nip them too tightly, they will crack and that will actually damage them. And then when they do develop, they'll be very weak in those damaged parts and they will actually flop. So just be a little bit careful on how you handle them. All right. Right, well thank you so much for watching us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos, tips and hints on inspirational ideas that you can create for yourselves. Thanks for watching. We look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Bye for now.